Okay, I'm going to introduce this really fun game that has been tested and asked for by one of the students. It was inspired by them, so I created it. It's called the Frozen Sight Word Game, but plus there is just so much more that you can do because it's completely editable. So let's look on how to operate the game here. It's first of all, it's very versatile. There's editable texts. You can change the colors, the fonts, as well as you can use this for math. Maybe they can solve addition problems, multiplication problems, fractions before they can touch the snowflake. You can also use it for grammar, for nouns, verbs, and it also can be a classroom management tool that you can assign students and you can write their names and have them select, and whoever finds Elsa would win an extra prize that day. It's also great for a secondary reward. You can add it just with numbers instead of vocabulary, and they can select the numbers looking for them, or the alphabet if you want to play a phonics game. And then also it can be used as a reading game for the new sight words for your school, the book they're reading, or the movie. And it also, which I like to use it for, is a speaking sight game. And this is what I've designed it for. So let's look at how that works. We'll go to the next slide, and this is what you do. You have the students read each word. Then they're going to have to use the new words that they find in a sentence. So have them use each word in a sentence before they can select the snowflake. For example, let's say I want the word love. I will read it. You can even do it as a spell, have them spell it, and then use it in a sentence. I love my teacher, and then they will select. Oh, you just missed her. Try again. And then they click onto the snowflake. It says it right at the bottom. Unfortunately, you can't see it all. Oh, let's use funny. My friends are so funny. Up, you're getting hotter. Try again. And let me just slide this down so you can kind of, I don't know if it will do it, but maybe, nope. Okay. And then we can use, let's see, I think I can slide it. Hold on. There. Okay, now let's go back. Go back to the game. And then they can finally, brave. I am a very brave student. Boom, congratulations, you have found Elsa. And then they can play again. And, as the teacher, you have the control to edit this, and you can switch to see her hiding spot to a different spot. And when you go into this, in order to do that, it's kind of simple. You want Elsa to be under another word. So what you're going to do is at the top of each one of these, you can see it says slide. Slide 5 is where Elsa is. And we could probably switch her now with that one. So slide this circle up. It's an invisible circle. And take the other circle and just go right down to smart. And then find the other circle and put it over brave. So for those children that are very smart and they're going to remember exactly where it was, you then can just do a switch on them. Another thing I have included at the end of all of these slides, you will find one here for you to edit your texts, slide to the right, edit. And like I said, they can do 1 plus 2 equals 3. The older kids, 110 plus 10. Let's do it easier. 10 plus, sorry, having a little difficulty here, plus 99. And then, of course, then you could just slide that out a little bit. Okay, and let me go back. So I'll leave that there editable for everyone to use. Okay, and there's your circle. You just slide it over. The slide, they are in visible. Also, the snow is behind it. Keep that in mind if you want to change the snow. And all of these images are images that I have purchased, so please do not sell these images. I have actually purchased these myself to use in the work because I love Frozen and all of the kids do too. So I hope you enjoy this game. This is the Frozen sight game, but you can also use it for so many other topics. And that's what I love is the versatility, and you can change the type of font, the colors. It's really up to the teacher what you prefer. And I hope you all have a wonderful day and happy teaching.